I'm Mary Lou Mastro, President and CEO of Elmhurst Memorial Healthcare. Thank you for choosing us for your care. Rest assured, we have the very best team of physicians, nurses, and other care providers addressing your needs and want to do everything we can to make sure your stay with us is a good experience. As a Plaintree designated hospital, we follow the philosophy that care should be organized first and foremost around the needs of you and your family. We also recognize that a hospital stay can be a stressful time for you and your loved ones. We've designed this video to help you understand what to expect during your stay. Thank you for taking a few minutes to watch. And once again, thank you for entrusting us with your care.
I'm Karen Block, a registered nurse at Elmhurst Memorial Hospital. My role is to be your advocate and to make sure that your stay with us is comfortable and safe. During the next few minutes, I would like to tell you about some of the features in your room, explain how we make patient safety a top priority, and help you understand our approach to relationship-based care. We've tried to incorporate some of the comforts of your home into your private room, including an inviting space for your loved ones to visit. Your room features a private bathroom with a shower. A reclining chair gives you a comfortable place to relax when you are able to get out of bed. For family, we've provided a sleeper sofa so that if a visitor would like to stay overnight, they'll be comfortable as well. Special shades over your window allow you to control the amount of natural light in your room. We also provide cell phone reception, complimentary Wi-Fi access, and a safe in your closet to store valuables. Now that you are settled in your room, let me walk you through a few specific features to make your stay more pleasant. Each bed comes with a pillow speaker that has a nurse call button, light, and TV controls. If you need assistance or have any concerns, push the round red button. An attendant will respond within minutes to ensure that an appropriate caregiver takes care of your needs as quickly as possible. This pillow speaker also includes the controls for your television. A variety of local and cable stations are available at no cost to you. There are also special channels for spiritual support and education. The listings can be found in your patient guide. While no bed will ever replace your own bed at home, we do provide a therapeutic mattress that adjusts for your comfort. We also keep both top rails up on the bed at all times for your safety and convenience. Food is not only good for health and healing, but is also a source of pleasure and comfort. Depending on your medical condition, you can order breakfast, lunch, and dinner through Wildflower Room Service using the menu at your bedside. To place your menu selection, simply press the Room Service button on your phone between 6:30 a.m. and 6:30 p.m. Your selections will be brought to your room within 45 minutes or at the time of your choosing. A variety of menu options are freshly prepared each day by our award-winning chefs. When room service is not available, a variety of food selections can be provided by your care team. More information about how we accommodate special diets can be found in the My Resources section of your patient guide. Your room was designed with your safety in mind. There are many safeguards to ensure that the care you receive is safe. For example, you may find that you are asked for your name and date of birth many times. At each time we give your medication, we will check and scan your wristband. It may seem redundant at times, but please know this is for your benefit. We want to be sure we are always providing the right care to the right patient. We will always wash our hands or use hand gel before and after your care. Feel free to ask anyone coming into your room to stop and wash their hands or use the hand sanitizer at any time. Special lift equipment in each room will assist in case you need extra help getting in or out of bed or a chair. This equipment protects you and your caregiver from possible injury. A plan to keep you safe in your new environment will be discussed by your caregivers with you and your family. We encourage patients and their families to feel comfortable discussing any concerns about safety with their care team or the unit management. Your emotional support is an important part of the healing process. We invite you to select a person as your designated care partner. This individual will be invited to participate in as much of your care as is comfortable. The Care Partner Program is not intended to replace the care provided by the Elmhurst Memorial Healthcare team, but rather it is intended to provide you with more personalized care and to better prepare you for your return home. Your nursing care team will work closely with you and your care partner to implement a plan of care to meet your needs. Your nurses will include you and a family member, if you so choose, in bedside shift report to openly discuss your plan of care with each new care provider. At Elmhurst Memorial Hospital, we recognize that family and friends are an important part of your healing process, but who visits and when they visit is your decision. Elmhurst Memorial Hospital has patient-directed visiting hours, so you can have your support system in your room as frequently or as little as you would like. Balconies on each unit allow you and your guest to connect with nature and get a breath of fresh air. It is also important to note that we are a smoke-free campus. This is for your health and safety. There are many resources in the patient guide to help if you or a loved one smoke and would like to make a decision to quit. Realizing how important rest is to healing, we provide rest and relaxation times in the afternoon. Please review your patient guide for more specific information. Your health information is protected and kept confidential at all times. However, as the most important part of your care team, you have open access to your own medical record. In fact, we encourage patients to review their medical record with their healthcare provider to better understand their medical condition and treatment. Elmhurst Memorial provides a patient portal that you can log into during your hospital visit or after discharge. The sign-up login process requires you to access the portal registration page from the hospital's website. Logging onto the portal gives you access to view, download, and share information about your hospital visit. Some of the information you will find on the portal includes procedures performed, current medications and allergies, medication history, vital signs at discharge, lab and radiology results, and discharge instructions. You will also be able to request appointments and track visit history, pre-register for upcoming appointments, and update personal information. As I mentioned earlier, there is a patient guide in each room that you can reference for many of the items I explained in this video. There is also a listing of additional resources and amenities, phone instructions, a guide to help you identify your caregiver by their uniform color, patient rights and responsibilities, notice of our privacy practices, and information to help prepare you for discharge. This guide is yours to take home. We encourage you to review this guide and use the resources the guide offers.
Hello, I am Pamela Dunley, Chief Operating Officer and Chief Nursing Officer for Elmhurst Memorial Healthcare. It is an honor for us to care for you during your stay. We have brought the Plaintree principles to life in all that we do, from our friendly and compassionate staff members who treat you with respect and dignity, to the personalized education plan that prepares you and your loved ones for discharge. We have a holistic approach to healing the body as well as caring for the mind and spirit. I want your stay at Elmhurst to be as comfortable as possible. Anytime you have a concern regarding your care, please talk to your nurse or ask to speak with an administrator. Thank you for allowing us to care for you, and I wish you the best of health.